reflects on speakership loss, a moral victory over numerical tyranny. In the aftermath of the high-stakes race for the speakership of the 12th Parliament, Honorable Norbert has broken his silence, reframing his electoral defeat as a necessary sacrifice for the integrity of Uganda's legislative body. Despite failing to secure the gavel, Mao's defiant stance has ignited a national conversation regarding partisan loyalty and the tyranny of numbers. Mao's digital presence remains anchored by a long-standing pin post that has come to define his current political era. In it, he depicts himself as a one-man army engaged in a war to cleanse the synagogue. The mission, he warns that the struggle against corrupt and hypocritical masqueraders is a multi-year endeavor. So what about the target? He specifically calls out those who have turned politics into a bastion for blackmail, slander, and hate-mongering, asserting that the merchants of hate will not dictate this exit. That's why we have visited that post. But still more to this. While the ballot box did not favor him, the court of public opinion offered a different verdict. Supporters have rallied around Mao, emphasizing the intellectual contributions over the final tally. The Acoli Pride official noted that gaining public trust in a way that transcends a single contest is a rare and profound achievement, claiming Mao won the hearts of many through his grace and commitment to dialogue. Adams, who uses the name Ara K. Robagiamura, hailed Mao as one of the finest and most principled leaders ever presented for the role, stating that his wisdom and consistency have earned him enduring respect across the country. Addressing his followers and critics alike, Mao penned a candid reflection on the uphill battle he faced within the 12th Parliament. One, a moral fight, not a math problem. Mao considered that the tyranny of numbers was overwhelming, but instead, he insisted that the campaign was never about winning a head count. Ours was not a numerical challenge, but a moral challenge, he declared, stating he took up a fight that others were too afraid to face. Secondly, the 10-vote gamble. In a striking revelation, Mao shared a confrontation with a fellow MP who predicted he wouldn't even see double-digit support due to strict partisan line. Mao's response was a high-stakes ultimatum. I put my seat on the line by telling him that if I get less than 10 votes, I would resign from Parliament. Thirdly, Parliament can breathe again. Despite the operation, Mao remains optimistic about the impact of his candidacy. He thanked the patriots whose outrage fueled his campaign, claiming that his challenge to the system brought a gush of fresh air into a legislative chamber, having shifted by partisan interest.